that's one thing that I had a problem with on vacation was like getting breakfast, because everybody wanted to sleep in and I didn't. I had to like suffer and not get breakfast on time to make it to where like you know, just so I can be on track with breakfast. So when I return back to work starting tomorrow, breakfast will be in my system at least before 9 o'clock. So I pulled out some eggs, heavy whipping cream, just to make some eggs and some toast. And then I have my strawberry Nesquik milk that I picked up. So I'm just gonna do that. And then Lord only knows what the rest of the day beholds, because I still need to do their hair, showers, and a little bit of everything else. What's up, y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today is Saturday, and it's about 4 o'clock, and I'm just, you know, gonna get my weekly vlog started here. So the past week I did go back to work, and let me just tell y'all, I'm gonna have to start a GoFundMe on some wine, because I'm telling y'all, 27 kindergartners in one classroom. The cutoff is supposed to be 24, but still, it's a lot. So this week has been very like, but we ain't even gonna get into that. I'm gonna try to start the year off positive. You know, last year we were lucky enough to only have 13 kindergartners in each class, but apparently they were looking at numbers from last year, and we didn't need a third kindergarten teacher. Now we do. So that position has been posted. But anyways, I start school back on Wednesday as well. Like, not only, well, not Wednesday, Monday. So I start 2 math classes come Monday. Monday is meet and greet as well, for Sky to meet her teacher and for Cam to meet his teachers, because there's like 50 of them. But anyways, what was I gonna say? But anyways, yes. So we are out. I'm gonna go get some dinner. I don't know if I don't know what really. I do know what I want. I want Raising Cane's. But at the same time, I gotta stop like making that my first go-to. So I'm gonna go and get dinner from Popeyes. So it is like 4 o'clock. But by the time I get back home, it'll be, who knows, closer to like 5, because me and Sky are gonna run in Kroger, try to find an Apple card so that she can download games with like a $10 to $15, you know, Apple card being on the account. I don't like using my credit card on there. But anyways, and then I really have a bunch of laundry that I need to fold and put away, as well as I just need to clean out the tub eventually, and that's it. I finally washed my hair yesterday. My hair has been curly all week long, so I finally washed it yesterday, so it's straight at the root again, but it'll be curly because I braided it and put it up into a bun. Let's go. So because I got my grandma a salad, I had also got a funnel cake. Y'all, this is how small it is. I really thought when I first started ordering these that it would be, you know, come in a bigger box. So in the year of 2022 to 23, I've ordered 89 Frappuccinos. So they sent me a free coupon. Now, okay, so I did get my caramel ribbon crunch for free, along with these 2 reusable cups. They were only $2 each. So, good morning. Today is meet and greet day for us. Just the first 2 hours, I'll be outside taking first day pictures. I'll include some here with some of the kiddos kind of like blurred out, but just to show you guys like what we do on the normal every single year. I'll include that here. Hey y'all, it is Monday. I took my hair out. I had washed it Friday, put it up in a high bun, and then braided it, put it in a bun. Anyways, just finally took it out. So here we go. This is what it looks like. I really do like the color, but like I said, when it's time to do that fire red, it's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be really good because the ends are really blonde. And my roots are coming back black. So, let me just show y'all my OOTD. Of course, I already showed you guys my hair, my shirt. My shirt says, "A truly great teacher is hard to find, difficult to part with, and impossible to forget." This has like a little sunflower. I put on my yellow skirt for today, and then I have on some gray sandals just to kind of make the outfit stand out. I had to get some gas in the car. Not only did I have to stop and get gas, but I had to give me some food too, because I'm like, Lord, I am starving Marvin right now, okay? Starving Marvin. So I just got me a vanilla iced coffee and 2 hash browns. Okay, y'all, meet and greet was successful. Seeing a lot of new kids, meeting 27 families. It was exhausting. So I'm off and I'm heading to grab my own kids because they have meet and greets too. So I will bring you along the way to meet Sky's teacher and of course Cam's teacher. Hey y'all, so I don't think I have vlogged at all today. Today's just been super busy. So we went out for lunch earlier at a little Mexican restaurant. Although we making love on the porch, all right. Yeah. But anyways, so now came to realization last night that my rainbow bell peppers, or rainbow peppers I should say, had started molded. So now that I'm trying to like meal prep for work, for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, had to throw them in the trash last night. So I also just got done doing both of the kids' hair. And mine is just gonna look the way it's gonna look tomorrow. It's just gonna be curly. And that's just gonna be that. So I'm gonna run over to Food Line really quickly, grab what I need. Okay, y'all, I'm on my way home. About $85 later. After I said I was coming for just, the peppers. That's how it always goes. But that's okay, because I got some things that I needed for the week. Go ahead and cut up these peppers. That way I ain't gotta worry about doing it in the morning. All right, good morning, it's 6:08. Got the oven on. I gotta pull out one of these onions, cut those real quick. Got my roasted veggies out. These are so simple and easy. You put your oven on 450, place it in a shallow baking pan, drizzle it with oil, salt and pepper. Toss the coat, roast it for 20 minutes, and just like stir it halfway through. So, all right, so it kind of looks something like this, and you'll just toss your roasted vegetables so that it gets coated. All right, so I got half of the onion cut up. This is what's gonna go in along with those green peppers. Go ahead and get this rolling here. And to wash off my chicken tender. All right, I got my olive oil heating up. I think it's time that I can, yeah, it's time. I can go ahead and add in those veggies and then I'll add in the chicken. To add in all of them, I just need to add in a few. One at a time. I just want to saute my peppers and onions first, then I'll add in that chicken. I am breaking up the pieces of onion if possible. So here's the veggies, halfway through, just spoon it. As you guys can tell, it's going off. Just spoon it, move it around, good stuff, good stuff. All right, we'll let it go back in for about 10 more minutes. All right, so I've let these kind of saute for a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add in that chicken since there's still olive oil. My marinade today I'm going to be trying is the Lowry's Honey Bourbon. This has clove, chipotle, pepper, and garlic. It's a marinade, but y'all know how it goes. So there is my chicken. Alright, so here is my lunch for today. There's the chicken with the peppers, onions, and the honey bourbon sauce, marinade, and then we have our roasted vegetables. I'm going to allow this to cool down. So we have about 15 minutes before I need to leave. You guys can still see the steam coming from it, so I'm just going to leave it out for a few until I leave, and then I'll put it away. Meanwhile, shut the house down with everything. And I'll just have to clean up the dishes later. Okay, so I'll show you guys my OOTD that I finally picked out. I did have a dress picked out earlier, but yeah, the buttons kept popping and who knows what else would have popped. So I have on red sandals, no nail polish. Just simple to be dressy. First day. Okay, so I'm up and at it, going to... Y'all, it has been a morning already. The kindergartners came. They were happy to, you know, come into school, but the parents, Lord, they came in crying and wanting to come inside. You know, we have to turn them away, like, no, we can't do that. No, we can't do that. So, yeah, I need to finish my croissant. And of course, then I had issues with the bus this morning myself. Apparently it was never put in by my boss for my son to get on around the corner like last year. Hey y'all, so today's Thursday and it is 3:54, y'all. I just don't have time to vlog in the mornings anymore. So catch you guys up on my day. Today was day 2, being back at work, working with 26 kindergartners. Two of our kids did not come in today, so that was good. One of them was sick with a fever, and then the other one, just who knows. Anyways, so this afternoon right now I'm heading up to an Educator'S dinner where they treat educators in the city for dinner, you know, like as long as you're a teacher. So I'm gonna head up and do that. I'm working with meeting my coworker up there. I've never done this before, so this is something new. So we'll see what, you know, what's what. And then from there, who knows? If it's to the point where you have to bring your kids, and I didn't bring my kids, I'll just get dinner for myself, and then just stop by and get some gas so that I don't have to worry about doing it Monday or over the weekend, along with you know, like if I need to, I'll just run right across the street to Chick-fil-A. Okay, so I just left the Educator dinner, and let me just say it was so many different things that you could choose from. Literally like a whole room full of stuff, and basically you just grab what you need for your family, food-wise, and that's it. They give you a brown paper bag when you first come in, and there was different tables set up telling you what was what and what's in what, so that's really great as well. So let me show you guys the clip when I get home of everything that I got at the Educator dinner tonight, because guess what? I won't even have to take lunch tomorrow. I literally have food right here.
Friday, Saturday next week. So I just wanted to know.